Hello everyone, good morning again with another TikTok Live Studio video. In the last video, I showed you how to download the TikTok Live Studio for desktop. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the rest of the steps after installation, what happens and how do you set it up. So I had to first restart my machine to launch the TikTok Live Studio. I believe was not launching because I had another streaming software open, which is Streamlabs. They are both using the same camera and it's very difficult to set up those two different softwares while they are using the same camera. That was the issue. So the first screen right here that I'm showing you is the process of downloading the rest of the stuff that's remaining for TikTok Live Studio to be active in your machine. Next is after downloading those extra files, those additional files that are required for streaming, you have to log into the account, to the TikTok account using either your Facebook account, Apple account, etc. So after logging in, I believe you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can check out my other tutorials on how to get started. So that brings us to this screen. It starts on Live Studio. So different ways to set up your Live Studio. The first way is just for beginners. If you're just beginning, you just click on setup now. But if you are a little bit experienced, you can just go live or you try to import from another tool that you have been using to stream. Next is I chose the first option for beginners and I have two options now, whether it's for gaming, showcase yourself while playing games, or it's for general sharing lifestyle, talents and just chatting. I think I should have checked gaming, but I will see how it goes. Next is the live quality. So TikTok Live Studio will check your internet and check your device. Make sure the requirements are there that are required for streaming. And you notice, even though I have an i7 machine, it's still not so good, but the internet is probably good. The internet quality. Suggested quality is 1080p, 1080 pixels, which is full HD. There's also the performance priority based on your machine, can be 70p, or else you want to stream in HD. Anyways, this gives you more resolutions when it comes to scaling your video, when it comes to start sharing it and downloading it from the internet. You have more pixels to work with compared to when you have a poor quality video and you have to download it and re-edit it and do all stuff. By the end, you lost the whole quality that it even had. Anyway, so for the scene, this is very important. This is what you need to start live streaming. For example, first set up whether you're going to be streaming in portrait layout orientation or you are going to be streaming in the landscape orientation layout. So if you're going to stream for portrait, you can choose whether you have a full screen portrait, multi-widget or screen sharing. Same with landscape. To stream with landscape orientation layout, you can choose the layout templates based on what you want. Full screen camera, multiple widgets or screen sharing. I've chosen screen sharing in my case. Next is testing the camera and testing the microphone. What I can see here based on this result is that my camera is not a full HD camera. Might not be able to record in full HD, but the audio is there. I think it's a Realtek high definition audio integrated into the laptop. But you have an external mic, you can also connect that and you can choose it from the drop down. Lastly, welcome to TikTok Studio. Learn how to get started in a few steps. This is the next step right now, which we are going to look at and setting up the source and getting started. Right, so we are here and I have some issues with my account because in the last TikTok live stream we talked about the Pi network, and it seems like TikTok took it like a project that is not so genuine or something like that. So for that reason, I believe my account, my live access was suspended for a few days. So I'll try again on 24th and we'll see whether we will be live. But for now, I will show you how to set up the TikTok Live Studio. So first things first, this is the live screen where you're going to be seeing the action that we chose in the orientation layout. So managing the layout of your live screen, you can create multiple layouts by adding scenes. On the left panel right here, adding scenes. So I will show you the scenes. Next is adding the source. So very important also if you want to add other widgets, but most importantly the camera. If you want to show your face, if you want to show your screen, This is where you go to add the video sources. Video sources and widgets. You can show your camera view, share screens, add text, and more. That's the source. Next is previewing your live for mobile to ensure the layout is clear and optimized for viewers. So a little preview mode to help you see what the other viewers will be seeing for your live stream before you go live, just to make sure everything is as you expect or as you want it. Next, I already explained this a little bit, the desktop audio and the mic audio. You see that adjusting live settings, for example, if you want to go live, of course, using the control bar to manage the audio and video settings, adding effects, and so on. This is where you add a little bit of effects. Next is the live chat, of course. When you are live, you can read the live chats and notifications, viewers' comments, gift notifications when receiving gifts. We talked about how to make money with the TikTok live in the last video, and other system messages will be shown here during the live. You can adjust the size and position of this chat box by popping it out by clicking this button right here. Next, the other tools involved, the other tools that you need for streaming. For example, the live goal, the gift gallery, the subscriptions, the co-host, hosting other people on your live. So you use the tools to build excitement, collaborate with other creators by co-hosting, improve viewer interaction, and monetize your live content, usually with gifts and other tools. Okay, once everything is set, of course, you can just click here to go live. So with that said, this little pop-up gift gallery, weekly gift collection mission sets every Monday. You can complete the mission with gifters and recognize them for their appreciation for your live. More controls at your fingertips. So they have brought the Stream Deck, keeping your live stream smooth and hassle-free with enhanced Stream Deck integration, including playing sound effects and the starting co-host. So those are a few cool features, and it seems like we are all set. Congratulations, you have completed. This is just the tutorial. Okay, so I've taken you through these fields. This one, these hosting tools. Showed you these ones, sound effects, other effects and settings, live feed when you are live, and the scene. Very important, the scene. So the first thing you need to do is go to add source, and you notice under the sources we have alert, chat box, we have the goals, the camera, and the display, as well as an image which can be your logo. You can place your logo somewhere. So by just clicking on it once, it will ask you where you want to place it. You can say bring forward, not there right now, and this is rearranging it. If you want to rearrange my logo, I want my logo to be on top, maybe like that, and then the notifications camera will also be on top, and then the display capture, very important as well. So if you click on this setting, if you want to hide any of these, you can just click on the eye icon, or you can lock it in order not to move it around. So the settings, I believe, are still launching in the background. But the good thing here is we can see here down below, we can see the performance of the machine, how much memory the TikTok Live Studio is taking, and so on. But for now, we are probably ready to go. We are streaming. What we want is mostly the screen sharing, because these are the different types of scenes that you can use. For example, you can have full screen camera, you can have multiple widgets, you can also have screen sharing. In our case, we want the screen sharing, very important. You cannot see anything because my account is currently suspended, but I can try to log into another account. Okay, anyways, if you try this out, what I've showed you, and it doesn't work, please let me know in the comments on the YouTube or on the TikTok at Mugabe Imran. If you have any other stuff that you would like to comment on, leave the comments there, or you can even WhatsApp me via the WhatsApp button on my website at mugabeimran.com. I believe with that said, we will link up in another video, hopefully very soon. So this is the video that brought issue, live access removed because of this video about the PiCoin. If you know about the PiCoin, which recently launched its mainnet. But anyway, just my live access is they say it's going to be restored on 24th. So once it's been restored, I can come back to the live and show you more stuff. But thank you so much for joining me in this one. I hope to see you Next one, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. And make sure you also subscribe on the YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification button, that way when we release a new video you'll be notified.